We're in Gamcheon village. Used to be parang poor district here in no more. It used to be the area where poor Koreans live, but now they regenerated it. No, made it a Korean tourism destination. Okay. Gandang concept din, no? Urban renewal. And then, yan. Naging kuwan na rin siya, historical, no? Magandang example for other countries to follow. Naging touristy na rin siya at the same time. There's a story here, no, that this used to be mga squatter colonies, especially yung sa labas, no? Makita mo dyan, no? Yan. That area. Ayan. So ngayon sa taas niya, filled with mga shops na rin siya. Okay. Very good. Magandang view din dito. One page view. They're lining up. Best view. Yan pala, makita mo. Oh. Nakalinya sila dito, here. Okay. I'm going straight here. Si Hana? Saan si Hana? Gusto mo pumila din doon? Oo nga. Shot of the most scenic area here. Ayan. Pakuha ng best shot lang. Hey, actually pwede yung ilalim mo.